Now, heavy downpours on Tuesday, accompanied by strong gusty winds, left a trail of destruction in their wake in Nairobi and Kiambu counties. Hundreds of residents were left in darkness, with the strong weather having uprooted electricity poles in some parts, prompting Kenya power officials to work around the clock to restore power. A spot check in Ridgeways and Garden Estate revealed that the areas have experienced a blackout for more than 24 hours after trees fell on power lines and a car. The Kenya Meteorological Department, which has issued an alert on Monday about heavy rainfall and strong winds attributed to evolving weather patterns, says the intensity will reduce from Thursday.
For over 24 hours, this stretch along the busy Ridgeways Road remained closed. Only Kenya Power officials were at the scene, where an electricity pole fell on a car following a heavy downpour in the area on Tuesday evening. No one was injured during the incident. Kenya Power technicians who were called to assist the victim camped in the area for more than 24 hours, working round the clock to clear the mess and restore power supply to hundreds of residents who remained in darkness for the whole of Wednesday. Another team was also busy in Garden Estate, which was affected by the strong winds. Officials from companies providing internet services also joined their Kenya Power counterparts to repair damaged cables. But it is this tree along this busy road inside Garden Estate that was the cause of concern to the residents and motorists. More than 20 hours after it fell on power lines in the area, authorities were yet to remove it from the road. Some of the motorists got stuck as they tried to avoid it.
Jana kitu saa 10 hapo hivyo ndo tulipatwa na hii kutokuwa na stima after the tree zilianguka tu. Juu ya kulikuwa na weed by the way. Kaangusha miti, then stima all of a sudden zikaenda. So biashara zetu tu zimesimama.
The weatherman had on Monday warned those residing in 27 counties in Rift Valley, Nyanza, Western, Eastern, Central and Nairobi regions to be on the lookout for potential floods and flash floods. They also warned of lightning strikes and gusty winds, which may blow off roofs, uproot trees and cause structural damage. The department has said that the intensity of the heavy rainfall will likely reduce on Thursday, but rainfall will continue for the next 1 week.